Hello student, in today's segment we are going to learn NCERT class 7th Political Science chapter 3 how the state government works. In the previous segment what we have learned that it starts from the story where the student come to know that how the MLA used to do the work. So in that case, the two girls were reading the newspaper. Then they come to know that the number of the people were dying with the disease called the diarrhea. The diarrhea is such a small disease by which the number of the people were going to die, and nobody is taken into consideration that what how we have to cure from this disease. The later on they come to know by reading the another news that the people of that particular place they have to travel the long distance to collect the water from that place. The later on that said that then after the from the school they went towards the other place. What they find that the people of that particular place like when they used to cross the road, so the police has stopped them that the rally is going on. You do not have to move from here. So it's the kind of the situation of the traffic jam. So they said that who is that MLA and what kind of work I did. So that particular lady, the lady traffic police, she aggressively gave the word that he did the numerous of the work. But that particular MLA is he's from the opposing party, and he said that that particular the current MLA, the current ruling party, and that MLA is not doing anything for this epidemic which is going on in this area. So if we later we come to know that who is an MLA, MLA is the stands for the full form is the member of the Legislative Assembly. So MLA we are seeing in the state where every year we see the Legislative Assembly election in which the party who form the government in that those who have the majority they become the CM. So if we talk about the Himachal Pradesh, which we in my book it's given of the Himachal Pradesh, they are having the 68 constituencies in which the Congress form the government. The Congress is the you can say the ruling party where the 43 MLAs were win in that election, and Veerbhadra Singh become the CM of the Himachal Pradesh. Later on, the people who used to sit in the opposition, they are the BJP. Later on, we can say the other parties and the independent parties. Then we see that the number of the children used to went over the picnic that they travel the long distance to reach to the capital where they find the legislative assembly is such a massive building. After the security check this used to go towards the upstairs, then they seated in the visitors room. From the visitor rooms from the upper side they saw such a massive hall where all the MLAs of the different parties were seated over there, somewhere in the ruling, somewhere in the opposition. The people used to do the debate over there. In my particular constituency this was the problem, and the opposition MLA said that the current government is not do the work regularly because there is the epidemic of the diarrhea is such a small disease. Still the number of the people are going to die with this disease. So these are the scenario which we have seen that what kind of problem is faced by the people. Somewhere the water scarcity, somewhere the shortage of the doctor and the nurses, somewhere the poor or the unhygienic condition of the hospital, and somewhere we find the current government is doing lots of cure from this disease. Just they are providing the ORS to the different localities that the people can cure from this disease. So all this thing we have learned that what the things is going to happen at that time. So in the to this segment what we have to discuss about the working of the government. That doesn't mean that none of the government whosoever that government used to come every 5 year any of the party used to come, they used to do the work. That doesn't mean they can't do the work, but the somehow like opposition have to do something that like in the next year the people can choose them. But each and every government those who used to come, most of the time they used to do the work for the people, that by which next year these people used to elect them by casting their vote. Then the press conference in our India we have the freedom of press. So whatever the incident is going on, they used to come in front of the people and they used to explain it. And the wallpaper project, this is a project, the number of the KV school, the Kendriya Vidyalaya, this is the central government school. The teacher used to provide them the project. You can go over your constituency and from which you can make the project and to aware the people to how to cure from the certain disease, how to aware the people that what the things, how to save the environment, how to plant more and more trees by which we can increase our water level in the groundwater and other things. So this all the things we're going to read in this chapter. So starts with from the page number 36. In the earlier section, you have read about a debate of the Legislative Assembly that you have read. The members were debating the action taken or not taken by the government. This is because the MLAs are together responsible for the work for the government. They are the responsible work together. In the common usage of the word government refers to the government department. Now there refers to the government department, a various minister who had them. The overall head is the chief minister, which I already explained. The overall head of the state is the chief minister. Later on, the different constituencies, there were the MLAs. More correctly, this is called the executive part of the government. Now we used to call it an executive part of the government. All the MLA who gathered together in the legislative assembly are called the legislature. The people who used to sit together in the particular assembly, if we talk about the legislative assembly or if we talk about the lower house, we used to call it as the legislature. These are the ones of the authorized and the supervise the work. These are the one of the authorized and supervise the work. As we saw in this earlier section, it is the form of them, among them, the head of the executive of the chief minister of the firm. Now, the chief minister is the head of the state, so he come under the executive. Now, the working of the government, which I already explained, the number of the government do the work over a period of time. The legislative assembly is not only the place where opinions were expressed about the work of the government. So here the thing is that the legislative assembly is not the only place where the opinion are expressed about the work of the government and the action is demanded. You will find in the newspaper, TV, channels and the other organizations regularly talking about the government. Now you will find in the TV, on the internet or the different platforms, if you talk about the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and the WhatsApp, you will see the what the government is doing right now in these days, in this digital era, in the social media, in the newspaper, in the radio, on the television. You can see in the different channels that what the government is doing, the current government what they are doing and what the opposition is trying to say, that this particular government is doing the work very correctly or not. So in a democracy, there are the various ways through which people express their view. Now people expressing their view also take the action. Let us look one such way. Soon after a discussion in the assembly, there was the press conference. Now there was a press conference organized by the health ministers. A large number of people from the different newspaper were presented over there. Whenever the government they put the press conference, they used to call all the newspaper agency, all the you can say the media person, whether of a TV, whether of the newspaper, they used to call it. They come over there, and then they said that what they want to say to convey the people that to convey the message to the people that these are the things which we want to say to our people. The large number of the people at the different newspaper were present. The minister and some of the government officials were also present. The minister explained the step of the government had taken. Now the government has taken the step. Reporter asked the many questions at at this meeting. After the finishing of their what they want to say, so the different reporters asked them the question that this discussion with the report in the different newspaper and this following page have one such report. So one such report we can see like this. This is the one such reports which are discussed by the MLA in front of the media. During the next week, the Chief Minister and the Minister of the Health visited the Patlapuram district where we find the epidemic of the diarrhea. They went to visit the families and who had lost their relatives. Now they visited the families where they lost their families and relatives and also visited it in the hospital. Now after that they also visited in the hospital. The government announced a compensation for this families. Now they allow, they say that announce the compensation to these families that the people, all the family who have died due to the diarrhea, so they will, maybe they provide 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, according to the how many members were die in that particular family, to give them the financial aid by which they can move in their life, they can earn their livelihood. So this the chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only the one of the sanitization but also the lack of the clean drinking water. This is not of the lack of the sanitization but one of the reason of the clean drinking water. He said that the high level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the needs. Now the high level inquiry will ask to look into the needs of the district to provide sanitization facility. To provide which? The sanitization facility, and would request the Minister of the Public Works to take care of the needs of the proper water supply in that region. As you saw above, the people in the power like the chief minister and the minister have to take the action. They do so through the various departments like the public works department, the agriculture department and the health department, the education department, and so on. They also have to answer the question to the asked in the legislative assembly and the convey the message. Means in the, if the media used to ask, if the opposition party to ask the question of this various departments, so the current party or the current MLA have to give the answer of this particular sector. If we talk about the public works department, if we talk about the agriculture department, if we talk about the health department, and if we talk about the education department. They also have to answer the question they are asked in the legislative assembly and convey the people asking the question that the proper step have to be taken. At the same time, newspaper and the media widely discuss the issue and the government has to respond, for example, by holding the press conference. So by holding the press conference, they have to convey the message to the people that these are the things which we have done for you, and the people who are affected from such disease and those who have lost their relatives, their family members in the due to this disease, we will going to give you the allowances for that, by which you can it can help you for somehow by which you can regulate your life. The government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding the sanitization and the health facility. For example, it may take it compulsory for the municipal corporation to ensure that there are the adequate toilets in every urban areas, because in the India in the earlier times you don't find the sanitization, or you can say the latrines in each and every house. Number of the people in the earlier times, they used to go outside the house for this you can say that for the sanitary purpose. But later on when this in the 2014, when the government used to come with the initiative that they want to make the toilets in each and every house, whether it's urban, whether it's rural area. So the all the world think that in the India, the government started such an initiative that they have to make the letterings for these people. So for which the later on, what they thought that yes, there is a need of the proper, you can say the a sanitary system by which the people are not going to die by with such a simple disease which we can't call it as the diarrhea, because due to the lack of the sanitization, due to the you can say that they are not drinking the clean water, they are going to die. In many to ensure that there are the adequate toilets in the urban area, in many also ensure that the health worker is appointed in every village. Now the health worker is appointed in every village. This act of making laws on the certain issue is done in the legislative assembly for each state. There are the various department, then the implementation of this law. There are the various department in this particular, you can say, in the legislative assembly, and they implement the laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. So laws for the entire country made in the parliament, that is the lower house, then it passes in the upper house, then it is checked by the Supreme Court whether it's according to the constitution or not, and finally it is signed by the president. If he used to sign that, then we can consider that this is the final law and which is going to regulate in all over the entire country. So you will read about it next in the next chapter or the next year about this, how the parliament going to do the work. In the democratic or in the democracy, it is the people who elect their representative or the leaders as the member of the legislative assembly, or you can say the MLS, and thus this is the people who have the main authority. The ruling party members then form the government, and some members are appointed minister. So ruling party members then they form the government, and the some of the members are appointed the ministers. These ministers are in the charge of the various departments. So they are in charge of the various departments of the government, such as health in the above example. Whatever the work is done by the department has to be approved by the member of the legislature. Whatever the work is done by the department has to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly. Now we discuss about the wallpaper project, so which I already explained this the project which is given by the teachers to the student in the Kendriya Vidyalaya, or you can say in the central school, by which they make the aware to people. You can do this kind of work just by making the awareness for the saving of the environment, doing the plantation by which the heavy rainfall used to come. We can conserve the water. We can conserve like by doing the rainwater harvesting. So and they can also aware the people that how they have to leave clean. They have to clean their houses, they have to clean their latrines, and they have to meet the latrines by which they can not affected by any kind of the disease. So this type of certain project was done by the KV students, that they can aware the people that what kind of do, what are the kind of the things they have to do, and what are kind of the other things they do not have to do. So the wallpaper is an interesting activity through which research can be done on the particular topics of the interest. The following photographs explain the different aspect involved in creating the wallpaper in a classroom. So there is the, after introducing the topic of having a brief discussion, the teacher used to come in the class, then she did the brief discussion with the whole class. The teacher divided the class into the groups. If think about it, if there are the 30 students in the class, you can divide the student in the five, like five students have to make the one project. So the group discusses the issue and decide what it would like to include in on the wallpaper. So the children then work individually in the pairs of the, to read and collect the material. Now they used to read and they collect the material and write the observation of their experience. Now they are writing the observation of each and every individual of their group, that what are your opinions or what kind of changes you want to see in this project. This can do this through the creating the story, the poems, the case studies and the interviews. Then later you can see the picture how the student used to sit together and collectively they are making the projects. And both the pictures you can see that how collectively they are making the projects for their wallpaper. The groups look at the material that they have select, drawn and written. They read each other's writing and provide the feedback of each other. Now they in the class they used to see the what the peoples are doing and they used to give the feedback to each other. They make the decision on what should be included and finalize layout of the wallpaper. So in the back side you can see that how the teacher is standing over there and all the students are making the projects. Each group of them then present the wallpaper to the entire class. Now this is the two students who are showing these project to the entire class. It is important that more than one member of the group is asked to present and each of the group is allotted the same amount of time to discuss their work. Now the each of the group is allotted the time that whosoever is to come in front of the class, they have to, one have to like stand over like this to take this project and another student have to explain what they have made, what they message they want to convey and how they used to convey the people that they have to cure from certain disease. So this times allotted to each and every group, that this much of the time in which you have to discuss all the things. You have to give the you have to first suggest the name of the project, then you have to give the message of the what the message you want to convey to the people, and from which idea, from which feedbacks, or from which observation, or which you can say the experience from the interview you, and from the which feedback you have made this project. Each group is allotted the same amount of time to discuss this work. After each group has presented, it would be a good idea to have the feedback session on the following. Now, it is a good idea to have a feedback session on the following. What more could they do on their own? Now, what more they can do their own? How could they work to be organized? How they work to be organized better? How could writing and presentation to be improved upon? So how the writing and the presentation could be improved upon? So this is the, in my book it is given the projects of 2006 of the children of class 6B. So this is a wallpaper about the 2006 dengue epidemic. If we talk about like this year, pandemic where I'm talking about the COVID-19. So and now I think that in this time, in this current year, in this current, you can say the era, the utmost important we are giving to the COVID-19, by which if we give the project to the student to make the project on the COVID-19, to aware the people that what kind of measures they have to take, so all the student can make the project online. Then they have to keep the social distance, then they make the project on, you have to make like you have to, first the foremost thing, you do not have to touch your eyes, your nose, and you do not have to touch your face. Then the second thing is, at least you have to keep the 2 meter of the distance. Then you have to maintain a social distancing. You have to wear the face mask, or you have to cover your face. Then you have to wear the face shield. So these are the certain basic, you can say, the measures which can be away from this COVID-19, by which we have to live at our home, which is the best place to live at our home, by which we can be safe from this COVID-19. So this type of project we can suggest to the student, by which they can meet this project, and they can aware the people that you have to maintain the distance, which we can the social distancing, by which they can't affect it with this disease. So at that time, in the 2006, there is the epidemic of the dengue, or if you talk about the 2020, there is the pandemic of the COVID-19, or you can say the coronavirus. So the wallpaper about the 2006 dengue epidemic was prepared by the children of the 6th Kendriya Vidyalaya, second Hindon, that is in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. So these are the other projects which I discussed over the COVID-19. We had discussed the coronavirus, what kind of awareness we can give to the people by making the different projects, and make the people aware about this, how they keep themselves safe. If we talk about the COVID-19, if we stay at the home, so we keep ourselves safe from this COVID-19. And the people who wants to do the work, and the people and the student who wants to those who want to do the study, so they can learn from the virtual learnings. If the people want to do the work, they can, if it is possible, they can leave at the home and they can do the work from there also. So these are the things which we have come what we have learned in this chapter, that it starts from the two girls which they are reading the newspaper about the epidemic of the diarrhea, by which the number of people were died. Then later on we come to know that they are reading the another news, that in the particular place there is a shortage of the water, and the people have to travel for the long distance up to the 3 to 4 kilometers. Then later on they come to know that that the particular traffic police, that the lady police, she stopped this particular two girls and said that stop over here, the rally is going on. So she said that, well, what kind of rally is going on? So she said that the MLA's rally were going on. And then the two girls asked this MLA did some good work or not. So the angrily, or you can see the arrogant manner, she said that yes, he did the many kind of work. So that later on they come to know that this MLA is belong from the opposition party, and he is not like the work of the current MLA party, because in such a epidemic and such a simple disease, all the people are going to die in a such a you can say in a very big number. Then later we come to know that who is an MLA. So MLA is the stands for like the member of the Legislative Assembly in each and every election. Like if we talk about every election of the state or the legislative election, in which the party who forms the government, or who shows the majority, they form the government, and on the basis of that, if the number of MLAs used to win, that he or she used to become the CM, and under which those who the MLA who used to win over in that election, they used to become the MLA of that particular constituency. So under which they have to look after the constituency, that what kind of work they have to do, so socially, politically, in the education department, in the health department, in the agriculture department, in the you can say about the all the other factors, they have to look after it, what the things are going on or what the things are not going on. Then later on we come to know about that the school student who went for the tour, that is they travel the long distance to the capital city, where they first saw the massive building of the Legislative Assembly, and after the security check, they go upstairs and they sit in the visitors room. From the upper side, they see all the MLAs are sitting in the downside, and they were debating over the certain issues. So the one MLA raised the voice that the okay, in such an epidemic situation, how the people are going to die, and this current government is not going to do anything. The second MLA raised the question that this particular in this particular constituency, or you can say in my constituency, he said in my constituency there is a shortage of the water and the people has to travel for 3 to 4 kilometers. The next that the third MLA said that why there is the unhygienic condition of the government hospital, and why the number of the people were admitted, so especially the poor people are admitted in that hospital. The fourth MLA said that why there is the lack of the doctor and the nurses, and the doctors who are appointed, they used to take the long leave and they went on the holidays. And the fifth MLA said that yes, we are providing the ORS to each and every locality, by which the people who are affected from the diarrhea, by which if they used to drink the ORS, so they will cure from this disease. Then later on, the another MLA said that like number of the initiative we are we are number of the initiative we have taken, and we are going to solve them as much as possible. Then we see the working of the government. Yes, we said that the working of the government in each and every field, if we talk about the MLA, if we talk about the CM, if we talk about the union government, so the law is made by the union government in the parliament, which we are going to learn in the higher classes. Then if we talk about the working of the country, they used to work in each and every department, just like the agriculture, the health, the education, the you can talk about the making of the hospitals, appointing the doctors, then making of the roads, all such fields which is come under the government integration. They used to see that. And if we talk about the press conference, when whatever the message the government, the state government or the union government or the local government, they want to convey the message to the people, so that they used to put the press conference in which they used to call all the newspaper agency, all the media person, or the TV news channel. They used to come over there. First, the government used to deliver or they convey the message to the people. After that, the questionnaire used to ask. The media person used to ask them the question like, what is this? What are the plans and how it's going to affect the people? So all the question which is raised by the media person, this all the answer was given by the government person. If we talk about the wallpaper project, which I already explained that according to in which year what kind of the disease were there. So on the basis of the teachers were give the project to the student, that on the particular issue you have to make the project to aware the people and to aware yourself as well. So in this case we have talked about in 2006 the epidemic of the dengue, and I give you the example the pandemic of this COVID-19. Like if I am the teacher, I will give you the project of the pandemic, how to we have to give the how we have to aware the people to save from the COVID-19, or you can say from the coronavirus. So these are the steps which we can make in the our project. That first and the foremost, like, stay at home and leave and keep away. First and foremost thing, stay at home. Wash your hands like, for the 20 seconds. Then later on, you do not have to touch your eyes, face, and you do not have to touch your mouth as well. You have, whenever you go outside from your home, you have to wear the face mask or cover your face, and you have to use the face shield, by which the none of the coronavirus you can affect you. Then later on, if you want to if you want to include more things, then you have to you have to say that you have to use the sanitizer, and you have to put the sanitizer with you. Then later on, if you want to make, then you what you have to say that keep at least 2 meters of the distance from the people, or maintain the social distancing. If it is possible, then you can go outside the home. If it is not required, then don't go outside the home and remain at the home only. So all such possibility, all with the diagrams, with the, you can say the statement you can make in the project, and one student can stand with the project and another student have to present that project, that these are the things which we have made, and we want to convey the message to the people that how you have to keep safe from this COVID-19. I hope you like this video, and thank you.